In today's fast-paced, tech-driven world, staying organized is more crucial than ever. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a digital nomad, or simply someone who loves gadgets, a reliable tech pouch can be your best ally. These compact organizers not only protect your devices, but also ensure easy access to all your essential accessories. As we step into 2025, we've curated a list of the top 5 tech pouches that blend functionality, durability, and style. From sleek designs to innovative storage solutions, these pouches are perfect for keeping your tech gear secure and within reach, no matter where your adventures take you. Let's dive into the must-have options that will elevate your organization game this year. ALPAKA Vertex Pouch. The ALPAKA Vertex pouch is a versatile accessory designed to meet the needs of tech enthusiasts and travelers alike. This all-in-one sling bag, tech pouch, and desk caddy combines style and functionality in a compact design. One of its standout features is the soft-touch fleece-lined tablet sleeve, which securely fits devices like the iPad mini and Nintendo Switch, ensuring they are protected during transport. The Vertex pouch includes a quick-access magnetized front pocket for essentials, making it easy to grab your AirPods Max or other small items on the go. Its detachable padded shoulder strap allows for comfortable carrying, while the integrated padded hand carry strap adds versatility for different usage scenarios. The accordion-style main compartment provides ample space for organizing your tech gear, complemented by mesh and zippered pockets that keep everything in place. Crafted with YKK AquaGuard and silent zippers, this pouch ensures durability and ease of use even in demanding conditions. Constructed from weatherproof, eco-friendly fabrics, the ALPAKA Vertex pouch is not only functional, but also environmentally conscious. Priced at $105, it represents a solid investment for anyone seeking a stylish, practical solution for their tech organization needs. Whether for daily use or travel, this pouch keeps your gadgets secure and easily accessible. Orbitkey 2-in-1 Tech Pouch. The Orbitkey 2-in-1 Tech Pouch offers a smart solution for organizing your essentials with its clever twin pouch system. This innovative design provides quick access to your belongings, whether you're on the go, at your desk, or somewhere in between. The unique 2-in-1 feature allows you to combine the pouches for comprehensive storage or detach the desk pouch for a streamlined option, ensuring that frequently used items are easily accessible while keeping lesser used items nearby but out of sight. Customization is key with the Orbitkey pouch. A foldable divider lets you tailor the space to fit your needs, whether you want to create smaller sections for better visibility or flatten the pouch to accommodate bulkier items like power adapters. You can even charge devices without unpacking thanks to the external zip pocket with a cable pass-through, making it convenient to power up while keeping everything organized. The integrated fold-down panel eliminates the hassle of digging through the pouch for small items, ensuring you find what you need quickly. Its sleek, self-standing design maximizes storage capacity while minimizing the footprint on your desk or bag. Constructed from water-resistant materials, the pouch protects your valuables from spills and splashes. Made from recycled polyester and PET plastic, the Orbitkey 2-in-1 Tech Pouch not only serves as a practical organizer, but also represents a commitment to sustainability. Priced at $74.90, it's a reliable companion for years to come. Tomtoc Voyage-T29. The Tomtoc Voyage-T29 accessory pouch is designed for those who appreciate elegance and organization in their tech gear. Part of the Voyage collection, this pouch showcases premium craftsmanship, making it an ideal companion for a refined tech lifestyle. The distinctive design features 45 degrees diagonal lines that symbolize the balance between emptiness and order, adding a modern touch to your accessory collection. Inside the Voyage-T29, you'll find a well-thought-out layout that includes a zipper bag and 2 mesh bags for efficient storage. These compartments are perfect for organizing essentials like power banks, cables, phones, wallets, and chargers, ensuring everything has its place. The convenient front pocket allows for quick access to items you use most frequently, while an additional key strap keeps your keys secure and easily reachable. The pouch also features a soft back pocket made from high-density fabric, providing a protective layer for fragile items such as USB drives, IC cards, and small accessories. One of the standout features is a hidden AirTag pocket located on the upper left side of the internal zipper bag, allowing you to track the pouch and keep it secure. With a price of $48.99, the Tomtoc Voyage-T29 accessory pouch offers a blend of style and functionality, making it a perfect choice for anyone looking to elevate their tech organization on every journey. Aer Cable Kit 3. The Aer Cable Kit 3 is designed to provide versatile organization for all your tech essentials. Its wide-access main compartment ensures easy packing, making it simple to store and retrieve your gadgets when needed. The kit includes multiple pockets in various sizes, perfect for keeping everything from chargers to cables neatly organized. A quick access front pocket allows you to reach smaller items swiftly, while the convenient quick grab handle enhances portability. Constructed from 1680D Cordura ballistic nylon, the Cable Kit 3 is built to withstand daily use. The 840D nylon face features a durable, weather-resistant coating that protects your belongings from the elements. YKK zippers add an extra layer of durability, ensuring that your kit can handle the rigors of travel. The interior boasts a soft, woven, recycled nylon lining, giving the kit a premium look and feel. This thoughtful design not only adds style, but also protects your devices from scratches. At a price of $59, the Aer Cable Kit 3 combines practicality with a sleek aesthetic, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to streamline their tech organization. Peak Design Small Tech Pouch. The Peak Design Small Tech Pouch reimagines the award-winning design of its larger counterpart, condensing its utility and aesthetics into a compact half-size format. This pouch is small enough to fit into any corner of your bag, making it the perfect companion for everyday essentials such as cords, cards, batteries, and chargers, accommodating even Apple's brick-style chargers. Inside, the small tech pouch features a smart 12-pocket design that includes 4 large origami-style pockets for bulkier items, alongside a variety of smaller stretch and zip pockets for organization. There's also a dedicated loop for a pen or stylus, ensuring all your essentials are within easy reach. Constructed with proprietary VersaShell 400D fabric, the exterior of the pouch is both durable and weatherproof, while the robust #8 Ultra Zip ensures long-lasting use. The pouch opens extra wide and sits upright, providing full visibility and easy access to its contents. External grab handles and corner pleats enhance its usability, allowing you to retrieve it effortlessly from tight spaces. For added versatility, 2 cord hook loops let you attach a PD camera strap or carry strap, sold separately, transforming the pouch into a stylish sling bag. With its fair trade certification and commitment to being 100% carbon neutral, the Peak Design Small Tech Pouch is priced at $49.95, offering an eco-friendly solution for organizing your tech essentials. Thanks for watching our countdown of the top 5 best tech pouches for 2025. We hope you found the perfect organizer for your gadgets. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews and recommendations. Let us know in the comments which pouch you're excited to try. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next video. Stay organized and see you next time.